Okay. Uh, Fourth type of chemical reaction, neutralization reaction. So in neutralization reaction, there is a combination of hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ions in which form water. A neutralization reaction is generally an acid-base neutralization. So again, dito daw ay may combination of hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ions. Ano? Which form water. So, ibig sabihin dito sa neutralization reaction, may involved ditong water. Or, I mean, merong water sa product. Okay? At ito ay acid-base ang kanyang reactants. Okay? A neutralization reaction can be defined as chemical reaction in which an acid and base quantitatively react together to form a salt and water as a product. Yan. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, acid and base ang reactants. Sabi ko nga ay ang product ay water at saka salt. Okay. So magbigay tayo ng example. Yan. Ito natin ilalagay dito naman. Again, sabi dyan, combination of hydrogen sabi dyan, si neutralization ay merong hydrogen at merong hydroxyl na ions. Ano? Sinabi din na acid and base ang kanyang reactant, which is si hydrochloric ay acid. Of course, sa isang acid. No? Yan. At si sodium uh, hydroxide ay isang base. Yan. At ang kanilang product ay sodium chloride, which is yun ay salt, and water H2O. Yan. So, uh, so kung i-interpret natin itong further interpretations dito sa reactions, ano, when hydrochloric acid, which is a strong acid, is mixed up with sodium hydroxide, a strong base, they neutralize each other to produce sodium chloride and water. Same as dito, ano, na acid din, tapos mix with the base, naka-form ng salt and water. Okay, next, displacement reaction. A chemical reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its aqueous salt solution. Again, a chemical reaction in which yun daw mga daming reactive element ay nagdi-displace ng mas less na reactive element galing sa kanyang aqueous salt solution. So, um, ano ba, siguro, further explanation dito, no, it's a chemical reaction, kinikick out niya, ano, yung mga less reactive element from a compound. At ito ang kanyang general formula. X plus YZ. Ang product niya ay magiging XZ plus Y. So, ito din daw ay tinatawag na substitution reaction. At ang example nito ay so, so si zinc, so example nito ay ito na when solid zinc is placed in a solution of copper sulfate. So, ganyan na mangyayari. Magkakaroon tayo ng product na zinc sulfate and copper. So, si zinc po, si zinc is more reactive than copper. And because of this, the zinc will displace the copper from the copper sulfate solution. At makaka-form na ng bagong compound which is zinc sulfate at solo na ngayon si copper. Since sabi ko nga kanina, dinisplace niya na si copper. Kasi mas reactive siya. So, ganyan ang nangyayari. The solution changes, uh, from copper ions ay naging zinc ions. Okay? Yan. So, ito naman ay parang sinamarize lang yung anim na types ng chemical reactions. So, naglagay lang din dito ng explanations, pero basahin din natin isa-isa ulit. So, again, for combination reaction, tatandaan yung maigi ang ito. Two or more compounds combined to form one compound. Okay. Ang product niya ay one compound. Si decomposition naman, ay kabaliktaran nito, breaks down. So, from isang reactant, ay di magwawatak-watak, nagiwaiwalay. Si precipitation naman ay merong precipitate na mamumuo. Kaya ganyan ang kanyang formula. Si neutralization naman, lagi siyang acid and base. Again, ano nga sabi kanina? May involved na hydrogen ions at hydroxyl ions. Okay? So, yun yung palatandaan sa kanya. At, syempre, salt at water ang kanyang product. Si combustion reaction ba kanina? Parang wala dito, Pero anyway, discuss natin. Si combustion reaction, yan. Oxygen, combines with the compound to form a carbon dioxide and water. These reactions are exothermic, meaning give off heat. Ayan. So, simple lang naman ng combustion, meron ka ditong compound. Tapos, yung i-mix with the oxygen, at makaka-form ka ng water plus carbon dioxide. Kumbaga, para kami fuel. Kumbaga, ito is parang fuel compound mo, itong CA. Kasi magkakaroon ka ng combustion. Okay? Displacement reaction. One element takes place. Okay? with one another element in the compound. Again, si displacement ay yung another terminology sa kanya ay substitution. Ano? So, from A, B, C to A, C, B. Pinapalitan, kinikicks up niya yung isa. Yung mas less reactive na element. So, ayan. Oh, binigyan pa kayo ng illustration dito. Ayan, ang combustions, mga CH. Kalimitan yung makikita dito sa pinaka-A niya, ay di yung mga ganyan. Mga carbon and hydrogen. Like methane, propane, butane, ano, combine sa O2 para maka-form ng CO2, carbon dioxide, and water. Acid, base, water, and salt. Displacement, reaction. Okay? So, yun lang ang ating types of chemical reaction.